And by the way, I just have to show y'all, look at what I'm using. Do y'all remember a couple weeks ago when I just decided to smash my makeup all over the floor and threw it down like a maniac? I should have thrown that makeup away, but I told y'all I freaking love this palette and I didn't want to do it, so I kept it. It's shattered. My 4-year-old walked in the next day and was like, Mom, why is there makeup all over the floor? What happened? And I just didn't have the heart to throw away the palette because you can't buy it anymore. They don't sell this that I've seen. And so I'm keeping it. I'm keeping my janky ass palette, and it's like in pieces. There's crumbles of makeup still. Every time I use it and pull it out, just like more makeup gets crumbled on the floor, but it's so good. I mean, look at that highlighter. So good. So, I mean, that is good stuff. Okay. Yeah, we like it. So I'm keeping it. Like I have to put it, this is how I have to keep it. And like, can I just show y'all this? It's like literally in pieces, but it works sort of, you know. My hands are covered in crumbled makeup right now. I look like I've been to war at Sephora, but do what you gotta do, you know. They don't make it anymore. You gotta keep it. So I'm gonna.